You're not saying anything. How can I understand what's on your mind? Tell me.
Why don't you try reading between the lines?
তুমি কিছুই বলছো না। তোমার মনের কথা কিভাবে বুঝবো বলো?
Why don't you try reading between the lines?
Read between the line মানেটা আবার কি?
তুমি ভৌমিক ভাইয়ের Pro-Infused English চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেখে নাও সব ভাইরাল ইংলিশ ভিডিও।
Your boss sends you an email. It seems simple, but you get a strange feeling. What does interesting really mean? Good? Bad? This one skill separates junior employees from senior leaders, the ability to read between the lines. If you cannot do this, you are missing half the conversation. Stay with me because today you will master these essential professional English skill. Hello professionals and welcome back to Pro-Infused English. I am Bhowmic and I am here to give you the practical English skills you need to dominate in your career. Today's lesson is on the powerful idiom reading between the lines. In this short video, you will learn the true meaning of this phrase in Bangla, the exact situation to use it at your office, sentence structures, and examples that will make you sound more intelligent and insightful. This is a core part of corporate communication and will significantly improve your spoken English in Bangla. Let's dive in. So, what does reading between the lines mean? It means to understand the implied or hidden meaning in something that is said or written, rather than just the literal words. It's about understanding what someone really means, even if they don't say it directly. In clear Bangla, এর মানে হলো কথার আসল অর্থ বোঝা বা যা সরাসরি বলা হয়নি তা বোঝা। This is not about reading text on a page. It's about understanding people's true intentions and feelings. So how do we use this? The structure is simple. As a skill, you need to read between the lines. As a statement, reading between the lines, I think. You use these when you suspect there is a hidden message. In a job interview, in a client meeting, or when analyzing an email from your boss. This skill is crucial for your Chakrir English or job English. Let's make this practical with some real world examples. My manager said my presentation was fine, but reading between the lines, I could tell he was not fully satisfied. আমার ম্যানেজার বলেছেন আমার প্রেজেন্টেশন ঠিকঠাক ছিল, কিন্তু কথার আসল অর্থ বুঝে আমি বলতে পারি যে তিনি পুরোপুরি সন্তুষ্ট ছিলেন না। This shows you are perceptive and proactive. The client didn't complain directly, but I had to read between the lines to understand their concerns about the project timeline. ক্লায়েন্ট সরাসরি কোনো অভিযোগ করেননি, কিন্তু প্রজেক্টের টাইমলাইন নিয়ে তাদের উদ্বেগ বুঝতে আমাকে তাদের কথার আসল অর্থ বুঝতে হয়েছিল। This is essential for client management and problem solving. When the interviewer asked about my biggest weakness, I had to read between the lines. They were not just asking for a weakness, they were testing my self-awareness. ইন্টারভিউয়ার যখন আমার সবচেয়ে বড় দুর্বলতা সম্পর্কে জিজ্ঞেস করলেন, আমাকে কথার আসল অর্থ বুঝতে হয়েছিল। তিনি শুধু দুর্বলতা জানতে চাননি, তিনি আমার আত্মসচেতনতা পরীক্ষা করছিলেন। And now you know how to read between the lines. This is not just an idiom, it's a superpower in the professional world. Now let's practice in the comments. Tell me about a time you had to read between the lines at work or in your life. Sharing your story is the best way to remember this lesson. I will read and reply to as many as I can. If you found this advanced English lesson valuable, please do me a small favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel and tells YouTube that this is a good content. And if you are serious about your career, make sure you subscribe to Pro-Infused English and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Want to master another powerful idiom? Check out my video on Behind the Mask right here on the screen. Thank you for investing in yourself today. I will see you in the next one.